Hey guys, welcome back. Working on the Spit. I got the front spoiler off. It needs some tending to. So I'm going to attempt to fix this thing. So hang around. Okay, I just got done doing a live stream and we're going to do another video. I got this off the car. It's just a little piece of plastic. It's beat hell. I ought to just try and find a new one. But where the hell am I going to find one at? They had to run into something. That's the license plate. When I had the car, it was boogered up. But this is cracked. It's cracked right along here. Cracked here, here, along here, chewed up here, cracked along here. And then these bolts go in from the inside. I guess there might have been some captive nuts there. I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I'm going to remount it. Down the outside, they're just held in by screws from the outside. It's supposed to have like a cover, I guess, just the way these are shaped. I don't know. Not sure. But I was going to give my attempt at welding this back up. And then I'm kind of just thinking to myself, why? If I could find a new one, heat all this up, get it back into shape, because I mean it is boogered, as you can see. That's from the license plate being shoved into it, and it did break the grill, which I did get a new grill for it, which is good. But where am I going to find one of these close enough to where I don't have to have it shipped, because it's going to be freaking big. So I don't know, I may give it a try just to see if I can get it repaired or anything. I'll have to get the heat gun out and warm shit up and get it into shape, and then weld it together with a soldering iron and some other plastic to get it to take shape. So I don't know. We'll give it a try though. Something to do. Well, that softens right up quick. Let me find a better tool. warm. Real warm. Too warm. Let's see. I may need some gloves for this job. Hot. Hot. I think I'll be able to mend that. Start down here and work my way over. I mean, you ain't really gonna see much of it unless you're really looking, you know. She's hot. That heat gun works pretty damn good. And then when it cools off, it takes shape. So let's try a zip tie as filler. Get a few of these out just to have on hand. Put them back. I don't have a small torch, but I do have a soldering iron, which I need to get a new one anyways. This one's just a piece of junk. Had it for freaking ever. So let me get this heated up, set up, and we'll see what we can do. Yeah, this is really going to be a slow process. But the thing about the zip ties, it's got fibers in it. So once you smooth it out across it, it hardens. It's downright strong. But like I said, I'll have to heat up the it's going to be a slow going process. Okay, I'll show you what I've been up to. It took about a half hour or so pissing around with it. I pushed this, heated up, pushed it back into place. I just got, you see me sanding it down. It's going to be hidden. I may try to put some filler in there. I don't know. I did weld up this front seam a little bit. You won't see it unless you're laying under the car, and if you're laying under the car, you got more problems than looking at that. But I got the top taken care of. I welded this shut. I did not weld across here. I got to figure out how I'm gonna lock this back to the car, which I am thinking of let's see, if I can find them right here. They go in from inside, from under the car toward the front. Just slipping this in there, and then you screw them down and it draws it tight. I'm hoping that this shank is going to be wide enough for the metal. I may have to put some sort of washers or something underneath it, because the other screws that go here, they had just regular Phillips head stainless, but with steel washer. Screws into the quarter valves. So I am not going for perfection, like I said, but it looks a lot better than what it did. Because it lost a lot of its shape right here. I might be able to sand that down to get the shape into it, but it's going to be hidden. I'm not building a show car, and if I find a better one, I'll get it. But for now, it looks better than it did. Now there we go. We got her back on. I did give it a shot of flat black paint, but if you really ain't looking, you can't see it. You can see the dings, but I could have tried to pull them out with heat, but we got her screwed back in, both sides behind here. Those anchor screws work great. So I'm happy with that fix. At least it don't look crappy as it did. Yeah, now where's my marker? We can mark one more thing off. Let's see, where's it at? Let me turn you around. Okay, the ignition light install. Front brake lines adjust. Repair front spoiler. Another one gone, which is nice. So now, because I added a couple things to it, it's like mark one off, add two to it. And as you guys know, I mean, I'm not going for show quality, top notch, 100%. You know, I really would rather have the car look like it's been used. It's been driven, which it gets driven. That's the thing. I'd be afraid to drive a car that I have $20,000, $30,000 in, you know, a $12,000, $15,000 paint job. No, ain't happening. You get dings and dents, and you got a trailer to a car show and from a car show, and no, that's no fun. Drive them. So there we go. Another short video in the books. I showed you I sanded it down. I only used 3 of those zip ties, and like I said, the thing about the zip ties, when you melt them, they got fibers in them. So that's why they're so strong. They're fiber impregnated. But I do appreciate you guys for hanging out. Another short little video. If you haven't already, if you like this stuff, mash the subscribe button. It helps me out. Leave a comment. I try to reply to all my comments, and it's a good way for me to find your channel. And if I like your stuff, I'll subscribe. So if you like this stuff, you know what to do. Give me a big thumbs up, not the finger. And we'll see you on the next one. Peace.